You can access this video relevant to how to run affiliate marketing 2019 and beyond. This works for me, try this, it works for you. So these are the key metrics what I have done and I will explain you in this step-by-step procedure. This is a checklist which includes all the affiliate marketing platforms, affiliate marketing websites which drive good revenue towards you. Let's check this. Amazon, eBay, Shopee, Clickware, StudioPress, Bluehost, Google AdSense, TapGaze. These are the few websites which give you good revenue by doing the affiliate marketing. So you can become an affiliate marketing partner for this website and do affiliate marketing. So finally, before doing any affiliate marketing, you should have one basic website or the blog or the blogging website. There we can place all our ads over there relevant to our affiliate marketing. From there, any user click on it, he will redirect to the affiliate page like Amazon. If you click on any product, suppose I am a blogger, I do content marketing, I do digital marketing, I have a blog, I do courses. There I made a space for the affiliate partner for Amazon. There they posted a watches. So if someone clicks, he likes to purchase the watches, click on it, it redirects to their page. From their page, if you made any purchase, if you purchase the watches over there, then the profit in that, the complete transaction done, then the affiliate partner Amazon will credit some amount to my account, nothing but Google AdSense account. There I can check what are the amount has been credited to my account. Just check this, what are the basic requirements to run an affiliate marketing. First thing, you should come up with good product ideas. So what kind of products will be suitable for my page and for my business. So that placement I have to make sure, and I should validate that idea, that product idea is suitable for my business or not, and create the product and then find the affiliate marketing program marketing partners website, Amazon, eBay and Flipkart or Bluehost, TapGaze. These are the websites, and we have to find their partners. And finally, link my account with Google AdSense or Amazon Pay into my website. So there I can track what are the transactions happened, this many sales happened to this many transaction, and how much I have been credited, how much I have been benefited. And finally, show ad products on your website or my page. And finally, users click and redirect to the website partner when it tracked, and then you get paid if they made complete transaction, if they made complete purchase like watches just, and if you made a complete purchase, then you will get benefited. That profit it will be rewarded in my account. So if I made with AdSense, then my transaction everything is shown with my AdSense. In Google Pay, like Amazon Pay, you look into it, it shows my results, my profit on that purchase. Finally, this is how we have to do affiliate marketing. This works for 2019 and beyond. Thank you.